yogis. Welcome to YogaForKids. Today we're going to learn 10 super fun and easy yoga poses that will make your body strong, flexible, and happy. Are you ready to stretch, breathe, and grow with us? Let's go!
Yay! Mountain pose Tadasana.
Stand tall like a strong mountain. Hands by your side. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel strong.
Tree pose Vrikshasana.
Now become a tree. Balance on one leg. Hands up like branches. Don't fall.
Warrior 2. Pose Virabhadrasana 2.
Step wide, stretch your arms, be a strong little warrior.
Triangle pose Trikonasana.
Reach down to one side. Stretch your body like a triangle. Very good.
Cobra pose Bhujangasana.
Lie down, lift your chest like a snake, hiss and smile.
Cat pose Marjariasana.
Round your back like a cat. Now stretch again.
Child's pose Balasana.
Sit back, relax, rest your forehead, take a deep breath.
Butterfly pose Baddha Konasana.
Sit down, join your feet, clap your knees like a butterfly.
Bridge pose Setu Bandhasana.
Lift your hips up like a bridge, hold strong.
lotus pose Padmasana.
Sit calmly, hands together, feel peaceful and happy.
Wow, great job, little yogis! You did all 10 yoga poses perfectly. Remember, yoga makes your body strong, your mind calm, and your heart happy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join COCO Kids for more fun videos. Bye-bye, see you in the next adventure. Thanks for watching.